What's really going on? Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. We're looking at Litecoin price action undergoing that abrupt change in momentum just a few days ago. We had that break downward here, a very bullish interaction with support, in my opinion. We have price action coming from $196, quickly interacting with my $176 support line. We even have price action reaching the 0.382 Fibba Bugatti line, $172. Price action coming all the way down to 171. However, I do believe a very bullish area to accumulate Litecoin was within that price range on the 27th of October. So you can see lots of bullish buy pressure present still as price action has returned to the kind of $190 kind of range. At the moment, we're looking at one of our chosen three robo advisors bearish on price action. We're looking for two of our chosen three robo advisors to become bearish to confirm perhaps some downside for Litecoin. At the moment, we are still expecting continued upside here. My target is still $226 per Litecoin. That is going to be resistance overhead. That is still going to be my target moving forward. I do believe until two of our chosen three robo advisors become bearish on price action, I am still bullish. With this sell 2 present, we could expect perhaps continued short-term sideways here. Perhaps another interaction toward support may be necessary for Litecoin before the uptrend can continue. However, I do believe the uptrend is very much intact. This was a very bullish interaction with support a few days ago here. We even have a technical higher low on the 27th of October relative to the 12th of October as well, if we were to consider that as a bullish higher low for price action. So bullish area of accumulation all the way down at $176. If we were to interact with that level briefly, we still have two of our chosen three robo advisors bullish on price action. So EngineeringRobo is not used to determine the exact top or bottom of any market, but is used to decipher the best areas of accumulation and take profit that have the highest chances of success. And so there are many different robo advisors available. You pick three that best suit your trading strategy. Once two of your chosen three robo advisors become bullish or bearish on price action, you can use that as a confirmation of accumulation or take profits. I mean, we've already seen some pretty decent gains on Litecoin between the end of July here, when we have two of our chosen three robo advisors become bullish on price action after accumulation. We saw up to 77% in gains on our investment after EngineeringRobo's buy signals came into play, and we were still able to capitalize on 36% in gains when we utilized EngineeringRobo's sell signals. And when we see after these sell signals came into play, we did actually experience over the following weeks, after two of our chosen three robo advisors became bearish on price action, we did experience up to 21% in downside before becoming bullish again and presenting a comfortable area of accumulation. At the moment, I do believe support is still $176 and the uptrend is very much in play. I'm still expecting price action to make its way up to $225 in the immediate short term. However, in my opinion, I believe Litecoin can reach prices back in the $500 range, perhaps $1,000 per Litecoin. Now we're taking a look at TLM against USDT, Alien Worlds coin price action interacting with these key levels. We're looking at some buy signals attempting to return. We have potential support or bullish area of accumulation present for us at 19 cents per TLM. I do believe price action should confirm support at that key level. Daily candles opening and closing above 19 cents does suggest that as a bullish area of accumulation for price action. We are also seeing a buy for and golden cross signal attempt to present themselves with today's daily candle. However, we need this candle to close to confirm these buy signals, and so if these two buy suggestions were to remain upon this daily candle close, we can then confirm two of our chosen three robo advisors bullish on price action, thus suggesting a potential bullish area of accumulation with anticipated upside. So as I mentioned, at 19 cents is support for us moving forward. Hopefully price action expecting to interact with resistance overhead at 28 cents. In my opinion, that is going to be an immediate short-term target for TLM moving forward. 28 cents is just going to be resistance. Once price action has broken through and confirmed 28 cents as support, my sort of shorter midterm target would be 58 cents per TLM. I do believe that is going to be my next key area of resistance moving forward once price action has broken 28 cents. If you're looking to accumulate near current levels, I would wait for these robo advisors to become bullish on price action to confirm those buy signals, and I would wait for potentially an interaction with 19 cents moving forward as well as support. We do have a key level all the way down at 13 cents per TLM. However, I'm waiting for interaction interactions with potentially 19 cents. So I'm always looking for these key levels, waiting for robo advisors to become bullish on price action. At the moment, I do believe we are exiting a phase of accumulation and sideways here. I suspect, anticipated upside. Let me know in the comments down below where you think price action will go. What are you doing with TLM at current levels? Let me know in the comment section a coin you'd like to see in the next analysis. Now, Alpha against USD TALPHA coin price action interacting with my support line here. We have $1.01 acting as a potential bullish area of support and accumulation for this coin moving forward. We have a very tight phase of sideways here, consolidation ever since the beginning of October. We have buy 2 and buy 4 currently in play. 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors are bullish on price action. We're interacting with support. I do believe this would be a very bullish time to be accumulating this coin moving forward. Daily candles opening and closing, wick and body above $1.01 would further solidify that level as support. My target, once support has been found, I am expecting an interaction with $1.68, in my opinion, is going to be resistance overhead for us moving forward once support has been found. I'm watching out for a potential interaction with $1.24. We seem to have multiple rejections off of that key level some months ago here back in the end of August. If we consider back on our, bullish area of accumulation back when we had 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors become bullish on price action. We have the buy 2 on the 1st of August of this year, buy 4 on the 4th. After that bullish area of accumulation presented itself, we experienced up to 97% in gains, easily almost doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's buy suggestions. And if you didn't take profit above at or around that swing high, you still were able to capitalize on 44% in gains if you utilized EngineeringRobo's sell suggestions. And as we can see, when those sell signals came into play, after 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bearish on price action, we did experience up to 26% in downside in the immediate short term before becoming bullish again. So I do believe now another bullish area of accumulation has presented itself here. We have this, very aggressive sideways interaction with what appears to be support. We have robo buy signals in play. I do believe we are very bullish on this coin moving forward, and I anticipate price action making its way up to $1.68. Watching out for $1.24. Let me know down below where you think price action will go. We're taking a look at Ethereum price action interacting with these key levels here after that very bullish interaction with my support $3,922. That was a very bullish area of accumulation for Ethereum. Buy pressure very much in play. We are currently plowing to and through these kind of final levels of resistance here. We have to watch out for still $4,383 per Ethereum is resistance overhead. Daily candles opening and closing above that level would confirm it as support and would perhaps confirm a breakout, and we may be ready for some very euphoric gains moving forward. I still anticipate a $6,000 Ethereum over the next kind of coming weeks to months in the immediate short term here. That's very hard to be bearish on price action. We just have to free ourselves from these kind of final levels of resistance. Looking out for potential support here for us, $4,195 per Ethereum is going to be support that we may interact with following this immediate kind of short-term move downward here. Any sort of sideways and downward that we experience moving forward for us is going to be very bullish for the uptrend overall. We have all 3 of our chosen robo advisors bullish on price action ever since the beginning of October here. Lots of bullish interactions with support. I do believe price action is ready to make some gains once we are free from these final levels of resistances here. Let me know your thoughts on price action down in the comments below if you're bullish or bearish at current levels. We're taking a look at Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently in this phase of sideways here. We have more accumulation, more consolidation, more momentum building before a very bullish break upward, in my opinion. I do believe upside is to be expected for Bitcoin still. However, we do have 1 of our chosen 3 robo advisors bearish on price action. That sell 2 has come into play on the 27th of October here when we experienced that very bullish interaction with my support line, $58,800 per Bitcoin. I do believe is still going to be a bullish area of accumulation, which may present itself kind of one more time here for us before we experience perhaps new all-time highs. A six-figure Bitcoin, perhaps still a $130,000 Bitcoin is my target before any sort of prolonged downside is to be expected. I believe right now we're in a very bullish state of accumulation and consolidation. I'm looking for continued interaction with support, looking for a break of this resistance overhead. $64,766 per Bitcoin is going to just be resistance overhead. We have already printed some very bullish all-time highs just about a week ago. So at the moment, we're just looking to confirm further confirmations of support. Look for perhaps another opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin under 60,000 to present itself very briefly for us moving forward. I'm always looking for these technical confirmations. Bullish on Bitcoin still, in my opinion. It's very hard to be bearish on price action at current levels. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on Bitcoin. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube. Check out all the other social media down below. Let me know a coin in the comment section you'd like to see in the next analysis. Thank you for tuning in, and tune in for the next one.